Good afternoon, and it's Dan Swede with Hydrochem Systems. Here's another one of our customers' new titanium trash bin cleaning system. This one's going to Illinois. This is EcoCleanCan.com, EcoCleanCan, and Commercial Pressure Washing. This titanium trailer is a dual bin lifter, has dual cleaning heads, 4 nozzle stainless steel cleaning heads. All aluminum hopper on the rear. That's the trash bin hopper where we're cleaning the carts over. We do not use that hopper as a wastewater holding tank due to the fact it's an open top container, and normally it's not street legal to be able to tote your wastewater around in the back trash bin hopper. So in front of the hopper you can see a couple white tanks. We actually have a supply and recovery tank, and so we actually will transfer the wastewater from the rear hopper that you're cleaning the trash bins over through a filtration process all the way back to its own wastewater recovery tank that are centered over the axle. We don't also want to have that extra weight past the rear axle. I've seen systems that have 5,000 pounds of weight over the rear axle or the back of the truck. Really not an easy way to transport wastewater. And you always got to concern yourself once again about being street legal. Make sure your cargo capacities are right. You're supposed to have full capacity supply tank, recovery tank, fuel tanks, equipment weight, vehicle weight, truck body or trailer weight. We take that all into account. And that's why we run a 14,000 pound rated tandem axle trailer with 4-wheel electric brakes. Super heavy duty trailer. We run 4" by 6" box tubing frames. The doors, we actually have double doors on each side of the trailer, easy access, so we actually have a curbside and driver's side. Both doors swing open, not out, because we don't like concession stand doors. It could be hit by trucks driving past the trailer on the road. But this allows you to prevent you from climbing over the walls or climbing over the power washer to get inside the trailer. This has full access. As you can see, 15-stage wastewater filtration system. It goes a step further. It's just not a standard filtration system. That actually is a full wastewater recycling system that we can run through the system and recycle and reuse the wastewater in order to be able to double and triple the amount of trash carts you can do in a day. That's huge to be able to have that extra water and to be able to recycle and reuse. Other systems could blow through 500 gallons of water on as little as 10 or 12 trash carts. So the option that they suggest of going to a car wash and dumping your water might be able to sneak in there after hours, but if you're out of water at 11 or 12 o'clock in the morning or early afternoon and you try to dump the water and tie up a wash bay for 45 minutes, you're not going to be able to dump there anymore. So typically you want to have an efficient, high-speed cleaning system with the full wastewater recovery filtration system. And if you want to step it up to like titanium and diamond, we're allowed you to get the full recycling system package. We, like I said, design and have that system. Got, like I said, the double door with access to the filtration system, be able to service and work on the power washer if needed. On the other side, we've got extra set of inlet and high pressure hose reels. Obviously walking past our Beast, which is a 3,500 psi 9-gallon a minute high volume hot water power washer. This is a multitasking system. You can see where they're showing pressure cleaning also. So for the pressure cleaning option, we actually add an extra 200 foot of high pressure hose and an electric powered hose reel with these unique hose roll guide. So when you're rolling up the hose, it's easy. You don't have to grab the hose and get kind of rope burns or burns from the hose. The inlet hose has a 100 foot inlet hose, and that on the base is a chemical injector. And then on this package is kind of our Waste Expo special, where we also have the retractable hose reel on the back, electric pendant that's magnetic, so you can pull that control off when you're raising and lowering the lifter, grabbing it in and out. Extra gun on the back. So it's a dual gun system, the most sophisticated, fastest cleaning system and most environmental system in the industry. For more information, give us a call at Hydrochem Systems. Main number is 616-531-6420. Hydrochem Systems. Our website is hydrochemsystems.com. Our email is sales@hcsclean.com, sales@hcsclean.com. All systems also include a winterizing tank. We have clients all over Texas, and they've had it freeze a few times since they've owned them, so it's nice to be able to have a pre-plumbed, pre-wired. We've got the safety breakaway battery disconnect system in order to be able to shut the unit down. You don't want somebody in a parking lot able to drop your lifters onto other vehicles if they're horsing around. You don't want kids to be able to start the power washer if you're unattended. Everything's about safety. We got safety strobe lights, full package. So once again, we're welcoming another customer into the new and exciting trash cart cleaning systems and pressure cleaning industry. Dan Sweet, Hydrochem Systems. Here's the phone number and website and QR scanner. Have a great week.